Hi my lovelies, welcome back to another video. I just want to talk about the benefits of growing your own because there's so many. The first is a benefit before you even get into the eating of the fruit and vegetables you produce is the vitamin D you can get from being outside gardening, which can increase sleep and all sorts of other major benefits, but don't forget your sunscreen. The next is the nutritional benefits from all this fruit and veg that you're growing. You can grow organic fruit and veg for next to nothing, and that can all be done by yourself. Even if you're not fully organic or organic, you're growing your own. The next one from that is cost savings. You can absolutely save a fortune. You can do all this for very limited cost. And the next would be getting your family and friends involved and knowing exactly what is going to get on your table. There are a few of the benefits and reasons why I grow my own and why you should too. Take care, guys. Remember to like, subscribe and comment if you find these videos useful, so I know what we're doing right and what we're doing wrong. Lots of love.